The Halton-Wagner Tennis Complex is a facility located on the campus of the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. Rebuilt in 2011, the facility is home to the 49ers men's and women's tennis teams. Courts. The current 12 courts were constructed to replace 15 previous courts located in the same place at the corner of Phillips Road and Cameron Boulevard. The court is laid over a post-tension concrete slab which provides a medium fastball speed on impact. Buildings. The courts are served by a small building with men's and women's locker rooms. A new 2-story support facility is between the courts and Cameron Boulevard. The new tennis building includes new offices for the men's and women's tennis coaches, new men's and women's locker rooms, a rackets training room, and training room with ice and warm baths and taping area. The new building opened in the spring of 2012. Photos. Statues. 2 Richard Hallier athletic statues grace the facility's front entrance. They depict a male and a female tennis player in action. Like the 12 other Hallier sports statues on campus, they were donations by Charlotte businessman Erwin Ike Belk. References. External links. Capital Projects page. Jadun Construction Company. Chancey and Thays Construction Company. Campus statues at UNC Charlotte.